Did you know that 1 out of every 100 people on Earth live a life most can't even imagine? And it's not because they got lucky or inherited millions. There are specific ways of thinking that set them apart. Throughout history, less than 10% of the world's population has controlled over 80% of global wealth. Today, we're diving deep into the mindset of the ultra-successful people, powerful strategies that can transform your financial future. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear roadmap to emulate the habits of the top 1%, paving the way for smarter investments, improved financial decisions, and ultimately, a path towards lasting wealth and prosperity. If you're hungry for success and eager to learn, hit that subscribe button. We're here to share the secrets and strategies to accelerate your journey. Let's get started. Number 1. The shadow spending awareness drill. Have you ever promised yourself, "I'll start saving next month," only to forget or push it again? That's not laziness. That's a failure of prospective memory, your brain's ability to remember to do things in the future. The top 1% use this science-backed strategy to automate good financial decisions and escape decision fatigue, which is silently killing your momentum. We make over 35,000 decisions a day, and your willpower drains with everyone. That's why billionaires like Warren Buffett wear the same clothes daily and have preset routines. They protect their brain power for million-dollar decisions. Start using future triggers, automated cues or systems that nudge your brain to act. Example, set calendar reminders for your investment day every first of the month. Place a sticky note on your fridge. Did I invest $10 today? Jasmine Lee, a nurse from Florida, set up $200 weekly auto transfers from her checking to her brokerage account. She didn't even think about it. 5 years later, she had $72,000 invested, and the habit never felt hard. That's the power of outsourcing your future to systems. Want to think like the 1%? Stop leaving your future wealth to your current memory. Build systems that win even on your worst days. Your brain, like elite brains do, you can unlock number 2. A mindset shift so powerful, it feels like portfolio steroids. Number 2. The time investment mirror. How the 1% turn every hour into a compounding asset. What if I told you that time can make you rich faster than money, if used correctly? The wealthy don't just spend time, they invest it. They treat every hour like capital, asking, "Will this hour pay me back later?" This is the time as investment overlay, a mindset the top 1% apply ruthlessly. Most people spend hours scrolling, binging, or reacting, but the rich allocate time to build, learn, or automate. An average person spends 2.8 hours daily on TV and social media, totaling over 1,000 hours a year. Imagine if even half of that time was invested in learning about stocks, building a high-income skill, or creating a digital asset. Most people think they're too busy to work on their dreams, but they never audit their day. Start time blocking 1 hour a day to build income skills. Use the 3 buckets rule: 1 hour learning, 1 hour creating, 1 hour optimizing. Think of your calendar like your portfolio. Every slot should either grow your knowledge, network, or net worth. If your time isn't working for you, it's silently working against you. Treat your hours like assets, and your future will look like a portfolio full of growth stocks. Shift in thinking sets you up for number 3, a psychological trick wealthy people use to resist temptation. Number 3, the 50-foot rule, how the rich outsmart impulse spending before it starts. Here's a fun brain twist. What if just 50 feet could be the difference between staying broke and building wealth? That's the 50-foot rule, a psychological hack the 1% use to avoid impulsive purchases before their brain even gets tempted. It's simple, but powerful. Put physical or digital distance between you and anything that could trigger an emotional buy. You see, impulse spending is not a money problem, it's a mind control problem. Most people don't even remember what they bought. Now imagine this. You're at Target, you walk past the electronics aisle, your brain lights up with dopamine, and boom, you're $60 down for a gadget you'll never use. What if you simply avoided that aisle? Or waited 24 hours before adding it to your cart? Uninstall shopping apps from your phone. If you have to re-download them, it adds friction. When you walk into a store, start at the back where necessities are. Add the wish list delay. Any non-essential purchase must sit in your cart for 48 hours. Wealthy people don't just control their money, they engineer their surroundings to protect it. The fewer temptations you face, the fewer decisions you'll regret. Number 4, the opportunity cost. Every time you say yes to something, you're silently saying no to something else, and that no might be worth a fortune. That's opportunity cost, and the top 1% treat it like a golden rule. Yet most people ignore it completely. You might think skipping one $80 dinner with friends isn't a big deal. But what if that $80 invested monthly in an ETF averaging 10% returns becomes $15,500 in 10 years? That's the price of not thinking like an investor. The biggest mistake average people make. Thinking cost is only about dollars. It's not. Asterisk, the real cost is what you could have built, earned, or learned instead. Watching Netflix for 3 hours doesn't just cost you those hours. It costs you the online course you didn't take, the business idea you didn't draft, or the client you didn't acquire. Angela, a part-time waitress from Arizona. She skipped her annual vacation, $2,000 saved, used that time to learn coding, and landed a remote tech job within 6 months, now earning $82,000 per year. That's the compounding power of choosing the right yes. Want to apply it today? Ask yourself before any decision, what's the ROI of this? Or is this helping me build time, freedom, or money, or just draining it? Write down your weekly choices. Audit where your yes is silently killing better opportunities. As we continue, remember that wealth creation requires intentional actions and a forward-thinking mindset. Number 5, foster entrepreneurial spirit. Entrepreneurship fuels innovation and economic growth, offering unlimited income potential. The top 1% leverage entrepreneurial ventures to diversify income streams and build wealth. Many people have fear of failure and lack of entrepreneurial skills prevent many from pursuing business ventures. They settle for stable jobs without exploring their full potential. Develop entrepreneurial skills such as creativity, problem solving, and resilience. Start small business ventures or side hustles to test ideas and learn from experience. Attend entrepreneurship workshops and seminars to gain insights. Embrace failure as a learning opportunity on your entrepreneurial journey. Number 6, why a growth mindset builds more wealth than any degree. If you're still thinking, I'm just good with money, then congratulations. You've just hit the biggest mental block separating you from the 1%. It's not your job, not your background, not your luck. It's your mindset. The top 1% didn't become wealthy because they knew everything from the start. They became wealthy because they believed they could learn anything. That's the power of a growth mindset, a concept popularized by Dr. Carol Dweck in her best-selling book Mindset, where she writes, "Becoming is better than being." The wealthy see every mistake as tuition, every setback as feedback, and every book, course, or mentor as a new investment, not an expense. The rest? They avoid discomfort, avoid learning, and stay broke safely. Commit to one new book a month, 15 minutes of financial podcasts daily, and apply one new idea every week. It's not about information. It's about intentional transformation. The poor say, I don't know how to do that. The rich ask, how fast can I learn it? When you adopt these uncommon mindsets, you don't just build wealth, you become wealth. Let that truth guide every decision. I believe that together we can build a better, wealthier future. If this inspires you, like it, share with your closed ones so they can benefit from it too, and subscribe to continue this journey with me. See you in the next one.